Shenzhen Luoguan Technology Company Limited, founded in 2011, located in Shiyan Town, Shenzhen, China. Our factory with 2,700 square foot and 70 employees. We are a high-technology company specializing in the manufacturing of commercial and industrial LED lighting. With our advanced production equipment and expert research and development team, we combine innovation, customer service, and mass production in order to provide top-level products to all of our customers worldwide. Our featured LED products are corn bulbs, retrofit kits, high bay fixtures, shoebox fixtures, work light fixtures, and more. Our series of innovative and energy-saving LED products are designed to provide solutions for indoor and outdoor lighting. Safety and quality certifications include UL, ETL, and DLC to help you earn rebates through participating utility companies. We are researching 5 new products every year to meet the market demand and international standard. We will enlarge research new products and apply certification for every product in the future. Good quality always our basic mission no matter how rapidly we develop in the future. Meanwhile, we accept OEM and ODM. With rich experience in LED lights business area and professional aging test machine, SMT machine, IES test system, reflow oven, to make sure good quality of our LED lights. Sincerely waiting cooperation with you.